what to do when your warning light is telling you that your rear brake light is defective. Let's start the car. So you see the warning light is there and it's saying rear left brake light defective. So to take out that warning light, we need to go to the rear brake light housing and change the bulb. So let's do that. Let's switch the car off first. We need to go to the boot, the rear left light according to the warning light. So we need to go through here. There's like a carpet type material that is covering the housing. You just need to pry that open, and as you can see, there are 1 and 2 10mm nuts that you would need to take off, and then that green clip that gives current or electricity to your brake lights. So we take that off. Alright, so the tools you'll need for this job is firstly a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, in my case ratchet bolt nut remover. I've got this set which you can easily buy from any tool shop, gives you all the sizes, but for this job you just need the 10mm one. And then obviously the bulb, it should be the 12V 21W R382 auto bulb that works for your indicators or your brake lights. So let's go remove it. It's out. Once you've taken out the clip and the 2 bolts or nuts, make sure you keep it here so you don't lose them. You can now get your housing out. See, easy. That's a tail light. So those are the clips, or clip I should say, and the nuts and bolts that connects there. And there lives my spider, hence the cobwebs. Okay, so now you've taken out the rear brake light housing that contains the bulbs. You just need to pry open. There's 1, 2, 3 clips that you need to open up or undo. Once you've done that, this whole housing comes out and then you can replace the bulbs. Okay, once you've taken out all those 3 clips, you just allow you to pick it up, and there are the bulbs. You can see the left bulb, as mentioned by the warning light. The left bulb here is busted. The filament is not quite broken, but you can see the discoloration on the bulb, so there's something wrong with it. So it's just a matter of replacing that, put it back in, and that should be it. As you can see, I've taken out the bulb. The filament is not quite broken, but you can notice that the actual bulb has got a smoke finish to it. It should be very, very clear. So that's the spare one that I've got. The other one has been placed inside here, so that should work now. Another thing you need to consider is when you're sorting out your headlight, make sure you've got like a soft surface. Like in my case, I've got this non-slip mat that I work on, or otherwise you can use potentially a non-scratch piece of cloth. Right, let's put it back together. Again, putting it back, making sure that the bolts or the nuts are tightened, this one and the other one up there, and also putting back the connection. You would need to use a flathead screwdriver to just pry it up like that as you took it out, and then just make sure you pop it back in and it's tight, and then put the carpet back together, making sure that it's lined up nice and neat, and that the headlight is in place, and then we'll see if the warning light's been started. We'll check if the warning light has been sorted. Let's start the car again. Alright, the warning light isn't there anymore. Normally the warning light will be up there, so it means we've sorted the busted brake light. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I've assisted you in one way or another. Thank you.